Have you ever looked up at the night sky, mesmerized by the countless stars twinkling in the vast darkness? Among those celestial bodies, there are two that stand out, the twins, Castor and Pollux, forever locked in an ethereal dance. They're the namesakes of our zodiac sign, Gemini, but did you know there's a whole world of color associated with this astrological symbol? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini colors, exploring their meanings, how they influence our perception, and even how to incorporate them into your life. So, buckle up, curious minds, because we're about to unlock the fascinating world of chromatic Geminis. The duality of Gemini, a dance of colors. Geminis, the third sign in the zodiac, are known for their duality. They're the social butterflies, the quick-witted communicators, and the masters of adaptation. But within them lies a quieter side, a depth of curiosity and a penchant for introspection. This inherent duality is precisely what makes choosing a single color for Geminis so challenging. Here's the thing, Geminis aren't confined to just one shade. They thrive on variety, on the constant interplay between light and shadow. So, when it comes to colors associated with Gemini, we have to embrace a spectrum, a dance between contrasting hues. The vivacious half, sunshine yellow and energetic orange. Let's start with the side of Gemini that lights up a room. Picture a Gemini at a party, the life of the social circle, their laughter ringing out, their jokes keeping everyone entertained. That vibrant energy translates perfectly into the colors yellow and orange. Sunshine yellow embodies the Gemini's infectious optimism and zest for life. It's the color of new beginnings, of intellectual curiosity, and the constant thirst for knowledge that defines many Geminis. It reflects their ability to brighten any situation with their wit and charm. Orange, on the other hand, injects a dose of action and excitement. It represents the Gemini's adventurous spirit, their desire to explore and experience everything life has to offer. It's the color of communication, of those quick bursts of inspiration that make Geminis such compelling conversationalists. Finding balance, the serene side of Gemini. But Geminis aren't all sunshine and social gatherings. They also possess a deep well of introspection and a love for solitude. This quieter side finds its expression in cooler, more calming colors. Enter calming blue, the color of the vast ocean and the endless sky. It represents the Gemini's introspective nature, their desire to delve into the depths of their own minds and explore the complexities of the world around them. Blue also signifies trust, loyalty, and a sense of responsibility, traits that often lie beneath the surface of a seemingly carefree Gemini. The grounding force, earthy greens and browns. Finally, grounding the spectrum of Gemini colors are the earthy tones, green and brown. Green, the color of nature and growth, reflects the Gemini's adaptability and their ability to thrive in different environments. It signifies their constant need for learning and personal development. Brown, the color of stability and security, represents the foundation that allows Geminis to explore their many facets. It's the anchor that keeps them grounded amidst the whirlwind of ideas and experiences they crave. The power of color, how Geminis can embrace their palette. Now that we've explored the spectrum of Gemini colors, let's talk about how you, as a Gemini, can leverage this knowledge. Surround yourself with colors that resonate with your current mood. Feeling extroverted and social? Opt for a sunshine yellow outfit or decorate your workspace with pops of orange. Need a moment of peace and introspection? Find solace in the calming embrace of blue or the grounding presence of earthy tones. Color isn't just about aesthetics, it has a profound impact on our emotions and well-being. By embracing the full spectrum of Gemini colors, you're not just decorating your life, you're nurturing the different aspects of your personality. Beyond the zodiac, a world of color for everyone. Of course, this isn't just for Geminis. The world of color is vast and open to everyone. Explore the different hues and shades, find the ones that resonate with you, and use them to create your own unique color story. Remember, color is a powerful tool. Use it to express yourself, to create a mood, or simply to bring a little joy into your life. So, get creative, have fun, and let your colors shine. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.